Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see how to make calculator using tkinder in Python. First, we are importing the tkinder here. Then we are giving the title as calculator. We are giving the title as calculator. To see the we can see the calculator here. Title as calculator and geometry is 500 to 500. In label 1, we are giving text is equal to calculator in red color and font is Arial and the size is 40 and label grid to adjust the calculator in the desired position. In label 2 we are giving text is equal to number 1. It's in blue color, we are giving in blue color and font is Times New Roman and the size is 20. In label 2 dot grid we are giving the position for the number 1, the correct position for the number 1. In box entry, we are giving number 1 blue 20 box here, and grid is used for to place the box in the right position in here. In label 3, we can see number 2 here, label 3 number 2 here, and it's in blue color, and its font is Times New Roman, and it's 20 here, size is 20. By using grid function, we can give the position for here, correct position to place here in tkinder. By using the box we can give the box in the desired position in here, and it's blue and font is 20. By using def add, because we are using def add we can see here we are using add, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and modulus. Because it's a calculator, we are using that. We are using these functions. We can see getting number 1 and 2. By using that, we can give the result by giving add function. Then grid function is used to place the plus symbol in the correct position in here. The same thing are using in subtraction, multiplication, division and modulus. And after these all things, we have to close the tkinder. So we are using Windows main loop. If we run this, we will get this. We can see number, I'm giving here 100, number 1 is 100 and number 2 is 100. When we plus it gives 200 as result. If I change this to 20 and minus it, it gives 80. If I give to 500 and multiply, it's giving the correct answer. I divide it by 5, gives right answer. Okay, modulus, now modulus, giving the right answer. Now we can see this. This is just a login page. In this, we are importing the tkinder and message box. We are giving a geometry as 500 into 300, geometry into 500 into 300. We are setting some usernames and passwords here. In label 0, we are giving login here in label 0, login here. Red and font size is Arial 40. And the grid is we are giving to place it here in the right position in here. Then in label 1, we are giving username, that is username in blue color and font is 20. Then grid function as it is to place it in the correct position. Now we are using label 2, in that password blue color and the same as for as username, it's also 20. Font is 20. In label 2, a grid function is used to place it in the correct position. The entry we are giving here, for this entry, like this entry, for that we are using text variable username blue and 20. When we give here, it will come blue, so we are giving that. And grid function to place it in here, both. We are using def log function. In log function, we are using a for loop. If the username and password is correct, it will show login successful. Otherwise, it will show invalid username or password. In B1 button, window login, font Arial command, that is login command is blue, background is blue, and the foreground is white, so that we are giving here. And B1 is grid function, and to place it in the correct position. And same for the cancel button also. Same code is used for cancel button. And the grid is 4 and 1, column is 1. 4 and column is 1 in blue color. After this, we have to close the tkinder function. So we are using window.main loop. In this username I'm giving Karunya. Password is CSC 123. Login, giving login successful. This is user registration form, just a user registration form. I will just keep like this here. In this we are importing tkinder and combo box. We are giving a geometry into 1500 and 800, and we are giving in label 1 user registration form, blue color and Times New Roman 20. I will just place here. I will just place here. Here and Times New Roman, and the font size is 20 here for this. Now grid we are using to place here in the right position. In the label we are giving name, here name Arial 20. Now grid function to place it here. In text box we give entry, the text variable name is equal to name. Here text box is equal to name, that will be in blue color, and font will be in 20. Now we are using grid function to place it here. In label we are giving gender, here text to gender, it will be Arial, and the size will be 20. Format size. In here R1 radio button, we are using radio button because we are in gender we can give male or female. So for this option we are giving importing radio button in here, male and female. And as it is, we are using grid function to place it here. In label 2 we are giving L2, label is equal to giving country here. It will be font will be Arial and size will be 20, and grid function to place it over here. And we are using combo box because in this we can able to see India, America, Canada and Singapore. Everything will be under this, so we are giving combo box in here to select the place whichever we need. we are giving some countries over here, namely India, America, Canada, and Singapore over here, to be presented in the combo box in here. It will be now we can give combo box grid, because to place the combo box in here, we can give hobbies. Hobbies, in hobbies, it's 20, and it's Arial. We are using grid function to place the hobby over there in the correct position. We are giving some variables like playing, gaming, photography, and movies. We are giving some hobbies over here: playing, gaming, photography, and movies. We are giving some values here. If we select this, we are using as it is the same grid function to place this. In def function, we are giving if value function, because if I just press this, it will press and give the output. Submit, if I press this and give the submit, it will just print the output over here. So we are using this, and the button will be submit. After that, it's a command form. It will be blue and Arial. That will foreground, background will be blue, and foreground will be white. So we are giving that here. We have to close at last. We have to close the tkinder. So we are giving window.main loop to close it. I'm just giving my name here. Mail India playing gaming movies. If I submit over here, it will show. So we are giving here. Thank you guys.